it has started.
Yeah, yeah, it has been started, and also audio video call is, I mean, voice and everything is good. Fine, you can start.
Started. So, hi, Shravan. Welcome on my channel. How,
Thank you very much for inviting me there.
so, how are you
I'm
feeling
very
by the
happy.
You're
I'm feeling
happy?
good that I'm with the viral girl. His video is viral so far, so
Oh my God. Hmm. Okay. So,
yeah,
in
so
this,
I'm so excited.
oh, you're excited? Great.
Yeah,
That's awesome. Okay. How's
yeah.
the morning, by the way?
Uh, was quite good. In at 7 a.m. there was some cold, but now as the sun rises, it's been feeling fantastic. So we can say the day
Oh,
is
not
good.
really fantastic. Great.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Shravan, in this video, we are going to discuss a couple of questions, okay, related to
Okay.
English. And I'll be asking some questions and you have to answer me, okay? And this
Okay.
session is all about English fluency, okay? That how learners can improve their fluency, okay?
Okay.
So,
Great.
uh, yeah, first of all, I would like to know your journey. How did you improve your fluency? And then we'll discuss some topics, not topics like tips through which learners can improve their speaking skills or fluency. First, you tell me your journey. Like, how did you improve your fluency?
How did I improve my fluency? Okay, that's a nice question. And I can say I will be telling whatever I have been experiences over the years to learn this language and to get some kind of fluency. Not, I can say that I'm perfect enough. When I was learning English, I was watching lots of videos to, YouTube while making an imagination that I will be learning English in this way if I will watch multiple videos on the YouTube channel. Then I
Mm-hmm.
thought, some of the grammar videos that uh, if I will become master over grammar, then I will become more fluent in English. But that was the myth, and that was something that I was doing, in a wrong way because no one was guide to me, and no one was there
Mm-hmm.
who can guide me correctly that you can learn language in this way. Then I come into the impression of watching some conversational videos where I find two people are talking about any topics, like we are doing today. So when I was watching such kind of videos, and then I thought that I should also make such kind of conversational videos to get my fluency. And when I was doing these kind of sessions around 20, 30, then I feel that there is some kind of improvement in me. I can't say someone that you can be very fluent in English while watching conversational videos. You have to also speak in front of camera if you really want to become somehow some fluent in English. So when I was doing these kind of conversational videos, I feel that I can improve. I am improving, and in this way, if someone is watching conversational videos and also doing conversational videos, then he might be improved. So that's all from me.
Oh, that's brilliant answer. Shravan, you said that by just by watching it, we can't improve it, right? We have to bring it into
Yeah,
action. We have to start implementing it, right? There are
yeah,
so many learners who are watching conversational videos, and not only conversational, so many videos in a day. They're watching thousands of videos, but they are just watching it. They're watching and not implementing or not taking action, right? So they have to like speak. That's
yeah,
the only way we can improve, right? Okay.
yeah.
And, how about like listening and what are the other things they can do? And now you have to give tips. For example, if any newcomers, like new learners, wants to start their journey,
Okay,
how can they
okay,
start? Yes.
okay. Okay, so some whenever new beginner comes to learn this language, and he wants to learn this language, he have some perplex kind of mindset that he will learn English only through grammar. So first of all, he
Mhm.
have to remove or avoid such kind of mindset that I we have to learn English only if we know grammar. Even if you are learning grammar, even if you are watching grammar videos on the YouTube channel, you have to start speaking. Like if you are just today learning indefinite tense, if you are very new in this field, so you have to speak English while using present indefinite tenses. and you're speaking like I go, I sleep, you goes. So these kind of sentences, even if we mistake, sometimes I do also mistake. Some other great fluent speaker also make mistake.
Yeah,
I know some of the people, I know some of the people who don't know grammar, even they don't have, completed the mastery over grammar, but they are speaking wonderful English. It is just because of doing a lot of practice like this. So practice and speaking is very important. That's how they can just improve and learn this language. That's all I can say.
you mean to say
Something
that
you want to add on, you can.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. You mean to say that they don't have to entangle themselves in grammar section, right? People have a
Yeah.
mindset or believe that first I must know grammar, then only I'll be able to speak. So they don't have to think like this that first I'll be good at it, then only I'll start speaking, right? So don't entangle yourself into this part, like in grammar section. Start speaking, and then over the time you will improve, right? The learners can improve over the time. And
So,
even I heard from a professional tutor that so many learners are way better than me in grammar. And
yeah.
think about, professionals are telling, tutors were telling like this. I was completely shocked that, oh, see, grammar doesn't matter at all. Like once you start speaking, automatically everything comes, everything falls apart, right? So start speaking, and at the time they can improve. Okay, so they don't have to do.
I think why I said grammar is not important. There is some reason. Actually, I am very good at grammar. In most of the videos, I have been said these things, but not in the speaking. No, not in the speaking. I am good at grammar. If you give me something to write on, yeah, you have to ask me something, then I will be okay with grammar. But why I said grammar is not important in speaking, because grammar is an ocean, and there is no limit, and there is no time that you can say that I am very good at grammar now. If you really want to learn so much grammar, and if you have done your mastery or PhD or MSc over grammar, then you can only go into the academic. And there are so many academic teachers, principals, tutors. They just very good at their academic, but they are now learning this language here and doing practice conversational videos like this. So this was the
Yeah,
one thing. Second thing, you said that there are some, as you said, that tutors and many more fluent speakers are there who are speaking, very good at grammar. But I think they are not getting good views. And you can see by yourself that while uploading 3 5 videos, you are getting like 8K views. That's something in the very first impression is really significant, and I acknowledge it, and I really congratulate you for this. So this is why is it happening? It is just because you have done a lot of practice in the past, and that's your friends know. That's the one who knows, who are closer to you. Like you did some of the practice with the foreigner WhatsApp groups, while talking, hours and hours on the call, chat, everything in English you were involved with. So that's what the result we are looking right now on your channel. And I hope your channel will sooner and sooner will grow, and you will be, getting some kind of money and silver button and those kind of stuff.
yeah. I'm going to give you trade. Don't worry. The day I'll get selected. So we
Yeah,
need that.
I am
And
waiting.
and I'm hoping
Okay.
that this
Anything
video
else?
is, yeah, I'm hoping that this video is also going to viral, and then we'll get lots of
Sure,
views on this.
sure.
on and it will be helpful for learners too, as we are discussing some important topics. All
Yeah.
right, sir. So if I have to add on something, then I would say that first, like, they have to surround yourself with English every day. They can watch, they can listen every single day. And I would say listening plays vital role, like important, very very important role in improving English language. I myself listen every single day. I do not miss a single day. Literally, I'm telling you. Every day I'm watching, I'm consuming English content, I'm watching conversational videos, and by watching it, automatically, while speaking, I do not like cram sentences and all. Automatically, it comes into my mind. So when you watch a good speaker, and when you practice with people, automatically it start coming into your mind. So listen as much as you can. What's your answer on this? Like, do you think that listening plays vital role in improving English language?
Obviously, listening is 70% important, and only 30% speaking is important. Why I said,
Yeah.
whatever we have learned today, it is because of listening a lot and a lot. When you listen, you know how this person is articulating his thoughts. You know how he is framing the sentences, how he is using the good vocabulary in between the sentences at the end, and how he is using some idiom and phrase, and a lot of stuff are there. And when you listen, you also grow. You listen his thoughts, his experiences, and a lot of stuff. And as you said that you don't miss a single day to listen something. I do the same. I watch a lot of podcasts, and if my eyes are tired, I I keep on audio podcast on Spotify app. I use my Bluetooth and go into the deep midnight and sleep and listening while listening. So in this way, when you listen a lot and a lot, many things you learn. Believe me, viewers, if you are really very beginner, you have to listen a lot. You have to do your 70% time on the listening and 30% on the speaking. And that's how, if you can do, you can save more times, just because we have wasted a lot of times earlier. So you can save this time. So that's all for the viewers, I can say. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Those who have become good at this language, first they have invest a lot of time in listening.
Yeah.
That's how they have improved. All right. So they can listen, they can speak. That's how they'll see tremendous change in themselves over the time. So that's what they can
Yeah.
do. And any
Yeah.
question, Shravan, or which you would like to ask?
Okay. As a human being, what NGO role has played into you, and what do you think that as an individual, what the moral and ethics and something that you have been feel that you have been improved while joining the NGO? That's all. My last question to you.
Okay, by joining NGO, what I have improved or what I have learned as a
Yeah.
human, um, that the thing which you know, don't keep it with yourself. Try to share with others so that other can also take advantage from you or take
Wow.
benefits from you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I
Smart
would say.
answer in one line. Smart answer in one line. That's great.
Ah,
So just
thank you.
tell me, if someone wants to join NGO, because so many people don't know how to join NGO. Is there any eligibility criteria? Is there any rules and regulations that they have to follow? Or anyone can join any NGO? So you can tell me something about it in very brief.
It depends in which area are they living, or it depends where do they belong. Otherwise, like apart from this, I don't have any idea, Shravan. Like as I'm living in Jharkhand, so I found out about this NGO through my college. So the form has come in my college, and through college I filled up the form. So that's how I got to know about my NGO. I'm not aware about other part, like in
Yeah.
every there would be NGO. So first they have to find out that whether is it any NGO are available or working in my areas or not, or in their locality or not. So that's how they can know. Otherwise, like they can search on internet. Through this, maybe they can
Okay.
get to know about. Yeah.
Uh, okay. So I think these, some sort of experiences that you mentioned here, people will surely gonna follow and just gonna join NGO if they want. So let's wind up this
Yeah.
session here. I think it's
Yeah.
a great for today. Enough for today.
Yeah. Hope this would be
So
helpful for the learners. Not hope.
yeah,
It will be helpful, right?
yeah. Cut this part. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna call you again. I'm gonna call you again for 11 minutes. Okay.
Okay. Okay.